There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? You already know it's your girl A, and we came back to slay with another Amazon wig today. Okay, girl, yes. Yes. What's up, everybody? I hope you're all having like a really great day when you're watching your girl A. Just staying blessed, staying motivated, positive, and staying out the way. And the number one thing is to mind your business. But sometimes we just can't do that because you're in my business right now, and I love when y'all are here. Thank you for joining me once again on my channel. And y'all already know we about to get into this unit. You already know what I say about Amazon. Amazon Prime, get your own time. But we're going to throw in a different little slogan for that. When you're buying a wig, Amazon Prime, get your wig on time, girl. What's up? So today's Amazon lace front wig is by the company Isee, okay? And when I do tell you, I've worked with them plenty of times. They have really good quality hair. They really do care. So if you need a wig, you better check out it over there. Okay, what's up? For those of you who love shopping on Amazon, I'm one of those. I love shopping on Amazon. It's a great place to be. You know what I mean? They have great deals. They have great hair care products. And they also do carry great lace front wigs. So yes, girl, check out Isee on Amazon. This is their Kinky curly unit in 22 inches. And it does come with some mink faux lashes. And along with that, an HD wig cap and a removable adjustable black elastic band. So girl, let's take a look and see what this wig is looking like. Okay. This one has a defined curl, which is great. I love that. 22 inches also. This cap is for those who love a middle part, okay? The bust down. So this is what the cap is looking like right here. So you're only going to be able to part it in the middle, which is still cool. Nothing bad about that. You know what I'm saying? And you do get the lace on the sides. But yes, you can only part this one in the middle. And y'all already know how I be feeling about middle part. I'm not a middle part girly. But we're going to try it out. We're going to see what it do. It's a pre-everything. It has the lace cut. It has the hair thinned out. It also does come with the 2 combs on the side, which are removable, which is a plus. So if you don't like the combs on the side by your temples, you can easily just push them through and they'll be removable. And then when you're ready to use them, they can be put back in, okay? Now you also do get an adjustable elastic band, which also has that silicone gripping on the side. There is a comb in the nape, which is also removable, and the best of the best, the drawstring, okay? Now the one thing I would suggest with Isee here is to put one of those little anchor buckles at the ends of the actual drawstring piece, because if you pull this down too far, it's gonna come out. So what I have done in my previous video is I'll just take it and just make a knot very small at the very end, so that way it doesn't, like, you know, fall through. And I just take my comb like so, put it in there, push it up as far as it can go. And I use the comb so that way, you know, the knot will stay. And then that's it. It's also been pre-bleached. So we're gonna just jump right into this. I'm gonna leave all of the information down below for Isee hair.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me. And I wish somebody would've issued a warning. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it. But if I don't, I know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of confidence love, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat.
Girl. For the bust down part in the middle, this is definitely giving tea. Girl, when I tell you this wig is definitely cute and go get you one, girl, run to Amazon, push that Amazon app on your phone or on your computer and go get you one. This middle part is definitely serving looks. Now, y'all know I really don't do the middle part because of my long head, but I do know how to finagle around the middle part so that way it takes away from the head, you know, the longevity of the head. So because this is just the middle part, what I like to do is I will put my band on and then I will brush the hair forward. So that way it's not to the side, but forward. So that way it takes away from the longevity. And girl, this kinky curly wig is definitely to die for. As y'all seen, I went ahead and coiled the ends so that way they wouldn't be puffy or, you know, I just finger twirled the ends while the hair was wet. And now that it's dry and damp, it definitely dried nice. Like, girl, get you some Amazon product for this unit so that way you can have the middle bust down from Isee hair as well. The wig is super soft. It's very fluffy, natural looking. Look at all the parting space you're getting in the middle. So that way you can definitely have a good bust down. And also, as well as that, it fits really, really nice. I didn't use the combs on the side. I left them in the wig, but I just used the comb in the nape. And the combs are just basically sitting on my head. This is a really great wig. You don't need no type of glue or anything like that. I only used the hairspray just because I wanted the lace to melt, and girl, it melted. It disappeared. It's invisible. It's not there. This is some really good HG lace. Girl, Isee hair is definitely doing the damn thing. Really easy unit to put on, beginner friendly, what have you. You really don't need any type of baby hairs unless you want them for your own preference, but this is definitely a put on and go unit. Girl, if you really want to look cute on a budget, check out Isee hair on their Amazon store, and I will link everything down below. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and on that note, I love y'all. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay motivated, out the way, mind your business, and if you stay to the end, give me a pink heart. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.